About my hands, this looks like this. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, but when I do this, I can't do this. So hello guys, I mean look at the size of the chai.
भाई के साथ फोटो खींच सकते हैं। ये 4 लाइन है, 6 लाइन है।
Run Utsav, the Run Utsav, Run Utsav, Run Utsav. Yeah, this is not typically the white run. We saw Run Utsav on the way back, but we couldn't stop because good morning again from Run of Kutch. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My body is not handling the cold weather that easily. We're planning to have a breakfast as soon as possible and we'll be heading to the Run Utsav. We'll check out all the activities there, just have all the food that is available there, visit the Run Desert, the White Desert, and yeah, let's just eat, get freshened up and just hit the roads again. Good morning. Also, I couldn't give you a room tour, so this is how the room looks like. We'll head to Run Utsav. That's Pratik and Z being aggressive.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Tent City ಯಾಕೆ ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಬಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Come and fly away with me.
3 मिनट हाँ इधर ही है देखो
3 बाइक
हाँ 3 बाइक है ठीक है थैंक यू Okay, you have to get an entry ticket to get here, so we had that book. Run Desert is almost 4 kilometers from here. We have to pass through the Run Utsav to get there.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Okay, so this is what all the hype was about. The view is unrealistic, man. There are lots of camels over here. We're gonna do that, don't worry. We are going to the viewpoint right now, and yes, aenge. The cold air and the sunny weather. I have never ever experienced anything like this. Like anything. Wait. I have never seen anything like this. Never in my life. 1,600 kilometers for this. I would say it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. I mean, just look at this.
We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
The salt hasn't dried yet, so I don't think we can walk over there, but yeah, I should try. Okay, so now we are at the top and yeah, people are doing some stuff over there. You can sit there and click your pictures. The view over here is really very beautiful. Unfortunately, the water hasn't dried yet, so it's not completely white desert now. Yeah, it's kind of like off season and stuff. Like you can come to Ranotsav only on November, December, Jan and Feb. That's the season. Preferably, if you can come in Jan and Feb, it's much better because all of the water will be dried out. But yeah, the Ran Utsav is gonna be for 4 months, and the white desert, if you need the perfect white desert where you can walk on it, come on Jan or Feb. Much better.
Somewhere by the Emerald Sea, where the moon and water meet.
Hey. Okay. What do you think? Looks good, right? No, it doesn't look good. But yeah. On the other hand, we're taking pictures again. All of us are looking exactly the same way. Weird. But it's all about trying new stuff and doing things differently once in a while. Okay, this feels absolutely nice.
Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Okay, before going to Ran Utsav, we planned on drinking some badam shake. It's pretty good. Who is Kaka? Kaka is over there talking to his mom with his badam shake. Pratik has cold.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take.
We did the camel ride, we wore these and we had our photo shoots done, and yeah, the dress cost you around 50 bucks. You can sit there and take pictures, and those cost you 10 each. And the camel ride, I think it costs around 50 to 100 bucks. Not sure about that. Pratik paid for it, so it's a party, yay! Everybody's dressing up back again, and we'll be going to, I think, Ran Utsav. Finally.
We're rising, we're falling.
Storage.
Serious, make a bitch delirious. Bitches on my dick, cause a boy so mysterious. That's a mystery, thoughts making history. Wrist keeps spinning like a fucking rotisserie.